Asadinaki Wailer, son of legendary reggae artist Bunny Wailer, is once again speaking out. The artist on Tuesday took to social media where he presented a long statement on the financial woes surrounding the Wailer account. Here, he revealed what he says is his father's 2020 tax returns of US $203,095, as he demanded to know the whereabouts of the funds. This, he added, would more than clear his father's outstanding hospital bill of just over 5 million Jamaican dollars. Bunny's son also weighed in on the record deal with VP Records, stating that he is unable to sign as he nor his lawyer have not received a copy of the contract to date. David Barham, the New York-based attorney representing Bunny Wailer's Solomonic Productions Limited, said the commitment was made with the administrators at Medical Associates Hospital in Kingston for an outstanding bill of $5.27 million to be settled. According to the lawyer, the tab will be paid from the proceeds of a music licensing deal with VP Records. Efforts by E-Prime to reach Asadinaki and Wailer's management for further comments proved futile. Bunny Wailer's son has been very vocal on the affairs of his father. Over the past few weeks, things were controlled due to a family decision to allow the icon to be laid to rest without any controversies. Bunny Wailer died on March 2. A virtual event to celebrate his life and legacy is scheduled for this weekend. American producer and record executive DJ Khaled is putting the final touches on his upcoming album, Khaled. In these photos and videos Khaled shared on Instagram, the music mogul is seen hanging out with Grammy winner Buju Banton, where he captioned it, "Holding a firm meditation with my brother." Khaled also shared this video with Capleton recording for the album. Buju and Khaled previously collaborated along with Sizzla and Movado on the Holy Mountain single released in 2019. The track is featured on Khaled's album Father of Assad. I'm Deidran reporting for E-Prime.